We studied the coordinate system. In this chapter, we studied other example of coordinate system. So, first is find the value of k if the lines kx minus 6y is equal to 9 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 30 are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. So, first of all, we know that two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular if product of their slope m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. But first upon given equation of line L1 is equal to kx minus 6y is equal to 1 and L2 is equal to 6x plus 5y is equal to 13. Then first upon find out slope of L1 is equal to m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. But coefficient of x is here, coefficient of L1 x is k, so minus k upon coefficient of y is minus 6. So we get m1 is equal to k upon 6. Then also we find out slope of L2. L2 is equal to m2 is equal to minus coefficient of a, so minus 6 upon coefficient of y. Hence m2 is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Hence here we get m1 is equal to k upon 6 and m2 is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Hence there get multiplication m1 into m2, they are perpendicular, is equal to minus 1 since lines are perpendicular line असतील तर m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Hence m1 is k upon 6 into minus 6 upon 5 is equal to minus 1. Hence we get this 6 and this 6 cancel and we get minus k upon 5 is equal to minus 1. Hence we get k is equal to minus k is equal to minus 5, and hence we get k is equal to 5. Hence this is the value of k. Then we give second example. Find the equation of line passing through point 2, -3 and parallel to the line (4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0). Hence, first upon given equation of line is 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Hence, first upon find out slope of line is equal to m is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, but here minus coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is minus 1. Hence we get minus 4 upon minus 1 is equal to 4. Hence we get m is equal to 4. Hence, since the required line passing through the point 2 -3 and having slope m is equal to 4. Hence we give the slope point formula. Hence, by slope point formula, slope point फॉर्मने आपण काय लिहू शकतो तर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन passing through 2 -3 and having slope m is equal to 4 is slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, but here y1 is x1 is this and y1 is this, so y minus y1 means y minus 3 into m means 4, x minus x1, so x minus 2. Hence we get y plus 3 is equal to 4 into x 4x minus 4 into 2 8. Hence we get 4x minus y minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. Hence we get this is the equation of required line. Then we give third example. Find the equation of line passing through 4, 5 and perpendicular to the line 7x minus 5y minus 420 is equal to 0. So first upon given equation of line is L1 7x minus 5y minus 420 is equal to 0. Then first upon find out slope of line L1 is equal to M1 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Here coefficient of x is 7, so minus 7 upon minus 5 is equal to 7 upon 5. But required line is perpendicular given line is perpendicular. Hence given line perpendicular असेल तर m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Hence first upon find out m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1. But here we find out m1 is 7 upon 5. Hence we get minus 1 upon this is minus 5 upon 7. Hence m2 is equal to, then we find out equation of required line. Hence equation of required line passing through 4, 5 and having slope m2 is equal to minus 5 upon 7 is by slope point formula. Here slope and point delay, so slope point formula. So by slope point form y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So first upon y minus y1 means this 5 and m means minus 5 upon 7 x minus 4 and 7 here multiplied, so 7 y minus 5 is equal to minus 5 x minus 4. So 7 into y, 7y, which implies 7 into 5, 35, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus minus plus 20. Hence we give equation of line is here minus sign, here we get plus 7y, minus 35 minus 20 means minus 55 is equal to 0. This is equation of required line. Hence the required equation of line required equation of a line is 5x plus 7y minus 55 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is equation of line. Then we give fourth example. Then we give fourth example. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line passing through bisector of the line joining the points 4, 8 and minus 2, 6. How to find out equation of perpendicular lines? So here first upon given ax1 y1 is equal to 4, 8 and bx2 y2 is equal to minus 2, 6. Hence first upon given by midpoint formula we get mx1 dash y1 dash is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Hence we get x1 means x1 plus x2 म्हणजे 4 plus minus 2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 means 8 plus 6 upon 2. Hence we get 4 plus minus 2 is the 2, 2 upon 2 is the 1, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. Hence we given the point bisector point is 1, 7. Then m1 and m2 be the slopes of the line. Then first upon we given m1 is equal to slope of line AB. This is A and B, line AB. So it's equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, means y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 8 upon x2 minus x1. So minus 2 minus 4. 6 minus 8 minus 2, and minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Hence we get 1 upon 3. M1 is 1 upon 3. But how to find out M2? M2 here, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Hence M2 is equal to minus 1 upon M1. Hence we get minus 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 3. Hence we get M2 slope is minus 3, and which is passes through the point. Hence required perpendicular bisector is passing through M17 and having slope M2 is equal to minus 3. Hence we find out equation of required bisector in slope point form. इथे स्लोप अँड पॉइंट आहे, सो स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म यूज करायचा. बाय स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर y minus y1 dash is equal to m2 x minus x1 dash. Here y1 dash is 7 and m2 is minus 3 and x minus 1, x1 dash means 1. Hence y minus 7 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 3, minus minus plus 3. Hence we get 3x plus y minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line. Hence the required equation of line is 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Then we give fifth example. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 2y is equal to 7 and passes through the midpoint of line joining 2, 7 and minus 4, 1. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the let first upon given that a x1 y1 is equal to 2 7, b x2 y2 is equal to -4 1, then first upon find out midpoint by midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, m x1 dash y1 dash is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 म्हणजे 2 plus -4 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 7 plus 1 upon 2, 2 plus -4 2 plus -4 is -2 upon 2 is equal to -1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Hence we give the point mx1 dash y1 dash is equal to -1 4. Then we find out the slope. Here line L1 is 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. Hence first upon find out slope of this, and slope of line L1 is equal to m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Hence minus 5 upon -2 is equal to 5 upon 2. But in case required line are perpendicular असेल तर m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Hence m2 is equal to -1 upon m1 is equal to -1 upon 5 upon 2. Hence we give m2 is equal to -2 वरती जाण, so -2 upon 5. Hence we find out m2 as required line passes through m1 -1 4 and having slope कायला m2 -2 upon 5. Hence we given equation of required line in slope point form. Slope and point delay. So slope point form is y minus y1 dash is equal to m x minus x1 dash. So y minus y1 means 4. We get y minus 4 is equal to m is -2 upon 5 x minus x1 dash means -1. Then find out these values. Y minus 4, 5 into y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 x plus 1 minus plus. So here we get 5 into y, 5y minus 5 into 4, 20 minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Hence we get equation 2x plus 5y minus 20 plus 2 is equal to minus 18 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line. Hence the required equation of a line is 2x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. Then we give next example 6. Find the equation of line passing through the point minus 2, 4 and making equal intercept on the coordinate axis. First, upon making equal intercept means x-intercept is equal to y-intercept here a is equal to b. Then given point A is minus 2, 4. Hence equation of line in here 2 intercept. So 2 intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. But here, since a is equal to b, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to a. A is equal to b, hence b is equal to b is equal to 1. Hence we get x plus y is equal to b into 1b. This is second equation. This equation is first equation. Then the given line, but the given line passes through the point minus 2, 4. Hence we get put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4 in equation 2. Hence we get minus 2 plus 4 is equal to b. Hence b is equal to minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Hence we get b is equal to 2. These are put in equation 2. So put b is equal to 2 in equation 2. Hence we get x plus y is equal to 2. Hence x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, which is required equation of line. Then we give next example. Say 1. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through minus 3, 10 and the sum of whose x and y intercept is 8. So first upon given point A is x1 y1 is equal to minus 3, 10 and here sum of x and y intercept means x intercept plus y intercept is equal to 8. Hence we get x intercept is a, y intercept b. A plus b is equal to 8. This is first equation. Then equation of line in two intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, but b is, since a plus b is equal to 8, b is 8 minus a, and this is put in this equation. B is equal to 8 minus a is equal to 1. Hence we give next step is 8 minus a into x plus a into y upon a into 8 minus a is equal to 1. Hence we get, but line passes through, but line, hence we get 8 minus ax plus ay is equal to 1 is equal to a into 8 minus 1. This is second equation. But line passes through point minus 3, 10. Hence put x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 10 in equation 2. Hence we get 8 minus 1 minus a, x is equal to minus 3 plus a into y, y is equal to 10 is equal to a into 8, 8a minus a square. Hence we get minus 3 into 8 minus 24 plus 3a plus 10a is equal to 8a minus a square. Hence we get a square plus 3 plus 10, 13 minus 8 is equal to plus 5a and minus 24 is equal to 0. But here multiplication is 20 minus 24 and addition is plus 5. Hence we get 8 and 3. So 8a minus 3a minus 24 is equal to 0. Then in bracket, this bracket, a plus 8 minus 3 a plus 8 at 24, so it's equal to 0. Hence we get a plus 8 a minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence we get a plus 8 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence a is equal to minus 8 or a is equal to 3. But there is negative sign, hence this cancel, hence neglecting negative value, we get a is equal to 3